So to say the least, my body was in need of some major rehab. So based on a couple of friends' recommendations, I came to see Dr. Mark Clayman and talked to him about some options, that I could have. Because my friends had previously come to him, and I was already sold on him as a physician, as a surgeon, and I was eager to put my care in his hands because of what he'd already done for my friends. So I did not have any cares and concerns based off of trusted friends' advice. I will say, that prior to my procedures, I'd done everything that I could to be the best me that I could be. I made sure I tried to eat as healthy as possible, work out, but after 26 years of bearing children, 8 years of breastfeeding, there were certain things that could not change. And I will say that Dr. Mark Clayman gave me a beauty physically that I did not think was possible to have again after all of that. I'm very indebted to him for restoring the femininity that I thought I had lost completely after having my children and pouring myself out to them. And I'm extremely grateful, extremely grateful. I will say that any woman who has poured herself out, taking care of her family, having children, nursing them, living life, and has suffered the proud effects of doing so. And if you think that what you once had was lost, that you cannot recover that feminine element, that the fullness of your breasts, the flatness and toneness of your abdomen area, those things that you once valued maybe as a young woman prior to having children, if you think that is lost, you need to come see Dr. Mark Clayman. Give him an opportunity to work his professionalism on you. It is not about money with him. It is not about self-grandiose, inflated ego. I can do this and I can do that. It is not about that. With him, he takes great pride and care. He cares about women and restoring what you thought was forever lost. And he is caring and compassionate, and over and over and over again, I would come back to him. I would do everything I did over again. And I have been shouting and telling the world since I have been here about Dr. Mark Clayman. So I absolutely love the practice. The staff is amazing. The women are so kind and caring. And not once did I feel that anybody was bothered with me asking questions, or anybody did not want to see me. I always felt very welcome. And if I ever need anything else, I will come right back.